Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to score 3-pointers in NBA Live Mobile. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in NBA Live Mobile on my phone, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, you're gonna find the Live Pass, Live Today, Season, Limited Time Events, Showdown, and lastly campaigns. In the bottom, you're going to find My Teams section, Auctions, Achievements, Objectives, and lastly Sets. Before you play a match, you can go to My Team, and then from here you can edit your team, change the players. You can also activate a boost, see the player stats, and so on. So after you adjust your team, you can go back to the home page. And once you're here, you can go ahead and click on Live Today, for example, or any match that you want. So I'm gonna click on this match, for example. And right here, as you can see, guys, there is the rewards if you win the game. And you can click on play from here. Then you can check your team and check your opponent's team. Once you're good to go, you can click on play, and then the game will be loading. As you can see, guys, this is the loading screen. Once the game has loaded, it will look like this. So we have the ball now. I'm gonna pass it to my teammate, and for example, I'm gonna try to score a 3-pointer by going right here. I'm gonna be a little bit far from the goal, try to score it, and I failed. So in order to gain the maximum points as possible, try to perform some dunks, or also try to shoot the ball from uh, a place that's far from the goal. So for example, I'm gonna try to perform a dunk right now, like this, and I failed again. Anyways, if you perform a dunk or a special move, you will be able to gain the maximum points possible. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.